sky is the soul of all scenery. It makes earth lovely at sunrise and splendid at sunset. In the one it breathes over the earth in a crystal-like ether, and in the other a liquid gold. Thomas Cole. When I think about Thomas Cole, my mind goes immediately to the thought of the grand golden light illuminating his skies. The paradise near lost as he faced the post-industrial revolution. In his hands fell to jewel tones vistas, reflected basins, and heaving mounds of earth and sky. His waves wrapped around our senses like the encroaching ripples of Eden, offering themselves in all glistening detail for our feeling. He painted them determinately, unspoiled in wilderness, building a majestic national art and vision at once into being. Cole's towers became emblems of happiness, and I'm very excited to coax paintings from the hands of our students as we respond to the Courier's Landscape with a Tower in Ruin by Thomas Cole in 1839. We'll be inviting them to explore the flow of ink and watercolor as they begin to meet passages of sky and earth and foils for all glowing light.